Would you cook more often if it wasn't so time-consuming and tedious? With these fantastic gadgets, you can whip up delicious meals with minimal effort. So let's dive in. First up, we have the Instant Pot. Now this little wonder is an absolute game changer in the kitchen. The Instant Pot is a multifunctional cooker that combines the power of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, steamer, and saute pan. It can do it all with just the push of a button. You can cook mouth-watering stews, soups, rice, and even dessert in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. Plus, it's super easy to use and clean. Once you try the Instant Pot, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Prepare to elevate your cooking to a new level with the incredible sous vide machine. Hailing from the world of professional kitchens, this gadget brings precision cooking straight to your home. The sous vide technique involves sealing your ingredients in a vacuum-sealed bag and immersing them in a controlled water bath. This gentle cooking method ensures that your food cooks evenly and retains its natural flavors and achieves unparalleled tenderness, resulting in perfectly cooked steaks, fish, and any other food you want to be succulent and flavorful. Our next gadget is the air fryer. If you're looking for a healthier way to enjoy fried food, an air fryer is the answer. The air fryer circulates hot air, giving you that perfect crispy texture without excessive oil. You can enjoy crispy fried food with an air fryer without those added fats and calories. You'll have your own healthier version of a fryer right on your kitchen countertop. Say goodbye to endless chopping and slicing with our next gadget, the vegetable chopper. This marvelous gadget will save you precious time and effort in the kitchen. With its sharp blades and efficient design, you can effortlessly dice, slice, and chop various vegetables in seconds. Whether preparing salads, a hearty stir-fry, or a delightful salsa, the vegetable chopper will be your trusty sidekick. And you know the best part? It's easy to use and clean. Next up, we have the immersion blender. This handheld blender is a fantastic tool for creating creamy soups, sauces, and smoothies. Its sleek design and powerful motor allows you to blend your ingredients directly in whatever pot, bowl, or glass that you're using, eliminating the need for messy transfers. It's a true kitchen essential. Brace yourself for the ultimate kitchen multitasker. It's the food processor. This powerhouse gadget takes care of all your chopping, slicing, shredding, and pureeing needs in a flash. From whipping up homemade hummus and flavorful pestos to effortlessly kneading dough and grinding nuts. The food processor does it all precisely and quickly. Its versatile attachments and adjustable settings allow you to tackle a wide range of tasks confidently. Need finely chopped onions? Done. Craving homemade coleslaw with perfectly shredded cabbage and carrots? Consider it done. With the food processor by your side, you'll breeze through meal preparation like a professional. Let's talk about the indispensable electric kettle. If you're a tea or coffee lover, like I am, this gadget will quickly become your morning savior. With its rapid heating capabilities, the electric kettle boils water in minutes, saving you valuable time and energy. No more waiting for the water to heat up on the stove or having to use your microwave. Plus, its auto shut-off feature provides peace of mind when you're running late and can't remember if you turned it off, keeping your family and home safe. Whether brewing a comforting cup of tea, hot chocolate, or preparing instant ramen or oatmeal, the electric kettle is a must-have for any busy kitchen. Our next gadget is truly an unsung superhero. The kitchen scale. Precision is the name of the game when it comes to successful cooking. especially baking. The kitchen scale is your secret weapon. This sleek gadget allows you to accurately measure ingredients, ensuring consistent results in your culinary creations, and no more relying on imprecise measuring cups or guesswork. Whether following a recipe or experimenting with your own, the kitchen scale provides the accuracy for that perfect balance of flavors and textures. It's also handy for portion control and keeping track of your dietary goals. Say hello to the mandolin slicer, your kitchen assistant for picture-perfect slices. If you've ever struggled with achieving uniform, thin slices of veggies or fruits, this gadget was made for you. The mandolin slicer allows you to slice, julienne, and shred your ingredients precisely and effortlessly. It's perfect for creating beautiful garnishes or using it for homemade potato chips, as I do. Just be sure you use the safety guard and handle it carefully. Those blades are super sharp. Cooking meat, fish, or poultry to the perfect temperature can be a challenge, but not anymore with the smart thermometer. The smart thermometer connects to your smartphone or tablet, allowing you to monitor the internal temperature of your food in real time. You'll receive instant alerts when your dish reaches the desired temperature, ensuring that your dishes are always cooked to perfection. No more overcooked or undercooked meals. Whether hosting a dinner party or simply preparing a family meal, this gadget takes the guesswork out of achieving culinary excellence. For more info about smart devices, go ahead and click that video in the upper right.